Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story effects option not showing. So the first thing to do here, you can try the story effect by tap on plus in order to add story. And here in order to add effect, you can try to use the effect filter. Here beside the sticker there is an effect filter that you can try. So sometimes this effect did not show because there is a bug on your Instagram. So please, you can if this option not showing or you cannot use this effect, you can go back and try to close Instagram now. Here you can try to search on the Play Store. In the Play Store you can search on Instagram. Here you can try to update your Instagram. Use this Instagram by the latest version, latest update. So this is the latest version and update on October 2022 2024. Please update it. Again, you can close Play Store. If you already update your Instagram, you can try to hold the Instagram icon in order to go to the application info. Here you can tap on storage usage and you can clear cache. And you may consider to clear your data, but you need to re-log in. So after you update and clear cache, you can try to open or reopen your Instagram. Now you can recreate your story. And here the effect will immediately here show on your Instagram story. Make sure you have a good internet connection in order to enjoy all these effects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.